If you have ever been to a Nigerian market, then you have seen money on the ground, real money, but because it looks like waste, everybody ignores it. Meanwhile, there are people who don't farm. They don't trade any main product, yet they make money every single day from agriculture. This is possible because they focus on what other people throw away. Look around any market in Nigeria today. Just observe carefully. You will see two types of people. The first group, they are selling the main products: tomatoes, rice, cassava, sesame seeds, and other direct farm produce. Then you have the second group. They stand somewhere quietly, waiting, not for any main product, but for what is always left behind, for the waste. Many farmers don't even realize that what they are throwing away is somebody else's business. Let me tell you something I experienced myself. The first time I got into sesame seed trading, after cleaning the seeds, there was a lot of dirt, shaft, stones, and all kinds of rubbish. In my mind, I was already thinking, how do we dispose of all this rubbish? Before I could even think properly, people were already asking, "Oga, this is your waste. Are you selling it?" I was confused. I said, "Selling what exactly?" They said the waste. I laughed. I thought maybe they were joking, but they were serious. Ready buyers waiting to buy the waste from my sesame seed cleaning process. That was the moment I realized that in agriculture, nothing is actually waste. Absolutely nothing. That rubbish from my clean sesame, some people use it for animal feed. Some use it as manure to improve soil for planting. Meaning, while you are focused on your main product, another person is building a business from what you throw away. Now think about it across Nigeria. Even go behind the market in your neighborhood. Just walk around. You will see heaps and heaps of what people call waste. Rotten tomatoes, cassava peels, maize, even things that still look useful and fresh, they just get dumped. Cassava peels are everywhere. People throw it away like it has no value. Poultry waste, people are even trying to run away from the smell. Fruit waste in markets, mango, orange, and even maize. The waste from maize, they burn them in a country where fuel is expensive. Sometimes I just look at these things because the money we are throwing away is too obvious. So the question is not whether is there opportunity in agriculture. The real question is, are you only looking at the obvious part? Because most people focus on how do I farm? How do I sell? But very few people are asking the important question: what happens to everything that is left behind? And that is where a completely different economy exists. Some smart people are already simply positioning themselves around waste, and they are making money consistently by just understanding the value differently. So next time you go to a market or a farm, don't just look at what is being sold. Look at what is being ignored or thrown away. Look at what is being destroyed in the market. Then ask yourself one simple question: who needs this? Because I can tell you for free, there is always somebody, always in agriculture. The only thing wasted is opportunity. So if you're interested in agriculture, business, or practical ways to build something meaningful, we are currently developing a free agriculture business mentorship program. You can find the link along with other very useful links and resources in the description below. Finally, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.